Hello, I'm Melinda Jamison, the Executive Director of Casa of Lexington, and today I'd like to share with you information about the National Casa Core Model, which unifies all local programs across the nation. Casa programs provide screened, trained, and qualified community volunteers to advocate for the best interests of children who are part of the court system as a result of abuse or neglect. Casa programs use best interest advocacy driven by the guiding principle that children grow and develop best with their family of origin if that can be safely achieved. Casa volunteers serve children from birth all the way to age 18 or even beyond if they choose to recommit to the cabinet. The role of the Casa volunteer is best interest advocacy through information gathering, at least monthly visits with the child or children that are on their case that they're appointed to, collaborating and coordinating with legal, child welfare, and other partners to assure services in the child's best interests. The Casa volunteer also reports to the court and includes recommendations on behalf of the child or children that they are appointed to in the report. They monitor the case until they are released by the court system. Casa volunteers are screened with various background checks, interviews, etc. by staff, are trained with the National Casa curriculum of 30 hours and 12 annual continuing education hours, and supported by Casa staff known as volunteer managers here at Casa of Lexington. This core model unifies the over 1,000 local Casa and GAL programs across the nation. We are thankful to have you as our Casa advocates who ensure best interest advocacy on behalf of the children we serve.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Barr, Program Manager for Casa of Lexington. I'm going to talk with you today about our guiding principles. Casa of Lexington volunteers, staff, and board members follow a set of guiding principles, the same guiding principles followed by all Casa programs. We provide best interest advocacy for children as reflected in these guiding principles, which recognize the importance of family preservation, reunification, equity, diversity, inclusion, and collaboration. We integrate the following guiding principles into all aspects of program practices, policies, and procedures. We recognize the importance of family preservation and reunification. It is in a child's best interest to remain with their family of origin when safely possible. We know that children experience trauma when separated from their family of origin. If a child is removed from their family of origin, it is in the child's best interest to be reunified with their family of origin as soon as it is safely possible. If a child is removed from their family of origin, the child should be placed with a relative whenever safely possible and in the child's best interest. It is in the child's best interest to strengthen families through recommendations for services, supports, visitation, and communications in order to achieve stability and/or reunification. Casa of Lexington requires and demonstrates respect for the parents and all parties associated with each case. We ensure that information regarding the family's strengths is incorporated into the reports to the court. We also ensure that information regarding the child's wishes is incorporated into reports to the court. When a court determines a child cannot be safely reunified with their family of origin, consistent with legal mandates, another permanent placement is in a child's best interest. At Casa of Lexington, we also recognize the importance of diversity, equity, and inclusion. All children, regardless of age, race, ethnicity, national origin or ancestry, color, religion or creed, gender, gender expression, sexual orientation, disability, or physical challenge, should be safe, have a permanent home, and an opportunity to thrive. Casa of Lexington acknowledges the existence of implicit bias and takes steps to minimize and/or eliminate implicit bias. We understand how disproportionality impacts children who have experienced abuse or neglect. Finally, Casa of Lexington also recognizes the importance of collaboration. Our governing board and the executive director, along with program staff and volunteers, cooperate and coordinate with other volunteer and public service agencies the courts, community groups, families, and individuals. Through these partnerships, we improve services for individual children and their families. These partnerships also allow us to advocate for needed change when conditions adversely affect the children served.